Hello, you are welcome once again to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 8. This is the revised edition. And in this video, we are looking at revising our knowledge on equivalent, mixed numbers, and improper fractions. This can be found in page 80. Now, this is revision, so it means that we've done these equivalent fractions before. We know what we call mixed number or mixed fraction. We have improper fraction and proper fraction. So when we put them together in solving questions like maybe adding and subtracting equivalent fractions or mixed numbers and improper fractions, let's see how it goes. Now before then, we know that if I have 2 divided by 3 or 2/3, and we multiply each of the numerator and the denominator by a particular number, let's say 4, 2 times 4 will give me 8. And 2 times 3 will give me 12. What it means is that these two fractions are equivalent. So that is what we call equivalent fractions. They have the same value, okay? They have the same value. Then again, if I have something like 8 divided by 3, we call this improper fraction. And this improper fraction can be converted into two whole number 2/3. That means 2 2/3. Okay, 2 2/3 becomes the mixed number or mixed fraction of this improper fraction. Now, when I put this together and I say maybe simplify 5 2/5 plus 3 1/3, how do you do this? Now, you have so many ways you can solve this question. You can choose to add the whole numbers and then add the fractions, or convert these two to improper fractions, then you use your LCM to solve it. So you can do any of them. If I add 5 and 3, that will give me 8. Then I want to add 2/5 plus 1/3, and that I can find the LCM to be 15. Now 5 can divide 15 as 3 times 2 give us 6, and 3 can divide 15 as 5 times 1, 5. And so that part will give me 11 on 15, and I have my 8 here. So I can say this is equal to 8 11/15, or 8 whole number 11/15. Let's look at this question 2. Here we have 3 whole number 3/5 times 2 whole number 2/3. And in multiplying, okay, this one, let me use the other method by opening them up to improper fractions. So 5 times 3 will give us 15 plus 3, which is 18, then divided by 5. Then we have times, this will multiply this to give us 6 plus 2, 8, divided by 3. And so here we can see if we can do simple cancellation. 3 can divide itself 1, 3 can divide here as 6. Okay, so then we can have our answer to be 8 times, okay, let me make it 6 times 8, all divided by 5. And 6 times 8 will give us 48 divided by 5. So we can leave our answer like this, or we convert them into into mixed number again, because the question was given in mixed number. And so the question is, how many times will 5 divide 48? And that is going to be 9 times, right? Because we know that 9 times 5 is 45. So that would be 9 whole number. And what is the difference? 45 minus 48, we have 3/5. So the answer becomes 9 whole number 3/5. Now, in solving this question, again, let's use maybe the second approach, that is, we converting them into improper fraction, then we subtract. So 9 times 8 will give us 72 plus 5, which will be 77 divided by 8, minus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2, that will be 17 divided by 3. Now we have to find the LCM of 8 and 3, and we know 8 and 3, the LCM is going to give us 24, right? So we say 8 can divide 24 as 3, and 3 times 77, okay? Then minus, I don't want to subtract, I don't want to multiply, I want to keep it like this. Then 3 would divide 24 as 8, so 8 times 17. Now sometimes it's good to leave it like this so that you see if there could be a common factor to factor out, then that would divide the denominator. But for now, look as if there's no common factor at the numerator side. Okay, so we have 77 times 3, and that will give us 231, minus 8 also times 17 also will give us 136, all divided by 24. Now we can do simple arithmetic here. What is 231 minus 136? That would be 95, okay, divided by 24. And you can see that 95 and 24 don't have any common divisor that can divide both the numerator and the denominator. And so what we have to do is to leave our answer this way or convert it again to improper fraction. Okay, so we know that 95 divided by 4, or sorry, 24 divides 95 as 3 whole number. So 3 whole number, what will be the difference? 3 whole number, 23 over 24. So what it means is that with 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 3 times 24, it will give us 72. And when you subtract that from 95, we are left with 23. So 3 whole number that. Okay, so I'm sure this has really helped you to know how to do simple addition and subtraction of mixed numbers or improper fractions. Thanks so much for watching.